Where you fly it solo.
Oh.
Take that hat off, put that on, then you really look like Cmte.
There you go.
Oh, yeah, there you go.
I can't believe that. Oh, look at that.
Very good.
Yeah. Look at that. Oh, man. Like a kid.
There you go.
Very nice.
We all like to play soldier,
Yeah, oh, man.
but with a helicopter, that's the fun type.
Yeah. Oh, it's very nice. Yeah.
Now that seat, you can adjust it up, down, forward, and back, and the pedals come back and forth too. So, you know, that may not be in your most comfortable position.
Mm-hmm.
So you can adjust that
Okay.
to where you like to have it.
Why don't we take that one back to Brazil?
Oh, you want to trade? I don't think my
Yeah.
boss will allow us to do that.
Is it
That's a
brake?
rotor brake.
Water brake?
Yeah. See, this aircraft operated off of ships, so they had to have the rotor brake to slow the rotor down so it wouldn't hit the tail boom on a ship.
It's electrical.
No, hydraulic.
A hydraulic. Ah, okay. This is commander. No? Oh, man. Thank you. Thank you.
No, my pleasure. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I am a pilot and a journalist in Brazil.
Oh, is that right? Very good.
I have a show.
Well, I fly a news helicopter in Houston.
Oh, yeah?
Channel 11, which is the CBS station.
I work a long time in TV, 20 years.
Oh, is
It's
that
not-
right?
It's not
Yeah.
recording anymore, right?
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, it's still recording? No.
Yeah, it's